The rapid evolution of autonomous military technologies is redefining modern combat strategies, prioritizing efficiency and minimizing risks to personnel. As part of this transformation, the 13th Demi Brigade of the French Foreign Legion, 13e DBLE, recently showcased groundbreaking advancements in robotic warfare on the Larzac Plateau. This demonstration, conducted with the support of the Army Technical Section (STAT), highlighted the seamless integration of drone swarm technology into armored vehicles, pushing the boundaries of battlefield automation. During this exercise, the Infantry Robotic Intelligence Section (SRRI) successfully launched a coordinated swarm of aerial drones from a Griffin multi-role armored vehicle (VBMR). This marked a significant milestone in France's efforts to enhance real-time intelligence and reconnaissance capabilities through autonomous systems. As part of the Capstone 5 initiative, the 13e DBLE's SRRI tested two innovative automated hive systems, mounted on both Griffin and Mastech vehicles. These hives enabled rapid drone deployment and synchronized control through an advanced command and control (C2) interface. A single operator demonstrated the ability to manage up to 8 drones simultaneously, covering a surveillance radius of 3 kilometers in real time. Equipped with artificial intelligence, the drones efficiently mapped the terrain, detecting any movement and providing crucial battlefield insights. Each drone within the swarm is designed to carry modular payloads, allowing mission-specific customization. Whether for reconnaissance, target identification, or electronic warfare, these drones enhance operational adaptability. The integration of these autonomous systems represents a shift toward more network-centric combat, where speed and data accuracy dictate strategic success. Furthering its commitment to military innovation, the 13e DBLE is actively engaged in the Capstone 5 exercise in California, contributing to #Project Convergence. This large-scale initiative, hosted by the U.S. Army's National Training Center, brings together forces from the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. The primary goal is to evaluate next-generation combat technologies expected to shape military conflicts through 2040. As part of this effort, the 6th Light Armored Brigade, 6EBLB, which oversees the 13e DBLE, has been integrated into the U.S. Army's 82nd Airborne Division. This collaboration aims to enhance interoperability and improve joint operational effectiveness. Within this exercise, the French contingent has demonstrated advanced drone swarm capabilities, reinforcing the strategic advantages of autonomous aerial systems. The Bordeaux-based company Icarus Swarms, which developed the drone swarm technology, emphasizes that a single operator can launch and manage up to 20 drones in under 5 minutes. This capability enables rapid three-dimensional terrain modeling within just 20 minutes, significantly improving situational awareness for both French and Allied forces. The increasing reliance on drone swarms signifies a paradigm shift in modern warfare. These systems not only enhance reconnaissance and surveillance but also provide operational benefits such as deception tactics, target marking, and electronic warfare support. The integration of automation and artificial intelligence continues to transform battlefield strategies, offering greater adaptability and precision. The 13e DBLE's active participation in Capstone 5 and similar technological programs underscores France's dedication to staying at the forefront of military innovation. By embracing autonomous warfare technologies, the French armed forces are enhancing their ability to respond to evolving threats with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The implementation of drone swarms is a clear indicator that future combat scenarios will be driven by data, automation, and intelligent decision-making systems, ensuring a tactical advantage in complex operational environments.